What's up guys, Matt here. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on the Dewalt DCS367 Sawzall. So it's a pretty simple tool to use. There's really not much to it. The first thing you're going to want to do with any tool, take your battery out. Pretty much there's your lock, trigger. And then to change the blade out, there's this tab that you pull. Pull that tab, and very simple, just pull the tab, lift your blade out. Pull the tab again, insert your blade, push down, lock that, and then just pull up on your blade, make sure it's seated properly. And that's pretty much it. There's a bunch of different types of blades you could buy. I have this little Milwaukee set that has, you know, blades for metal, blades for wood, all different types. They're not cheap, but the Milwaukee ones do seem to last a little bit longer, I've noticed. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Dewalt DCS367 Sawzall. Have a good day, guys.